Here's the bill for the vet today. Not really sure how you're going to pay that one. You do actually live here rent-free. I do buy your groceries. So, you know, maybe get a job, contribute to society a little bit. This is getting ridiculous, dude.
Encontré al patito Juan en la esquina del zaguán.
Fuck you, my child is completely fine. What? Dad gave you a bath? With soap? And then he rinsed you again? Oh my goodness. I can't believe he did that. No way.
Oh. Hmm?
Don't do it. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Don't jump. Don't do it. Okay. Oh God. No.
Oh.
Are you okay?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, I hate this trend. It's ridiculous. There's the fucking shark. You don't feel it. Watch. Just wait.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man.
So I read on the internet that cats get on your laptop because they're mirroring you, and so if you get them their own laptop, they'll leave you alone. And look at this little businessman!
What the fuck, Rain?
Did you step on it?
I don't think so. Maybe I did. I'm sorry. Okay.
Come on, Smokey! Good boy! Yee-hoo! Whoa! Holy fuck!
Отдай, отдай, ты что делаешь? Отдай, это же кабачок, нахрен он тебе упал. Зачем ты ешь? Ты же картошку в прошлый раз ел.
Что ты боишься?
Мы купаем Альму.
Что ты трусишься? Давай, залезай. Что отпускай, блядь? Альма.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
Tell him. Let me see. My big teeth are coming in.
So I saw my cat outside, and I brought him in. But if that's my cat, who the fuck is this?
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.